So if you watched my last video, you will know that in the never-ending search for the best kind of easy to use mount for my little SJ cam, I decided to attach it to my jacket. Stuck some Velcro on the jacket, a little bit of Velcro on the back of the camera holder, stick it on and away you go. Today was the first day I used it, so what was the video like? Well, it didn't help this morning was actually thick fog everywhere, but I'll show you a bit of this morning's run and I'll show you a bit of the afternoon run home. See what you think. I'm quite pleased. Thanks as always for watching, guys. See what you think. Well, I don't know what you thought, but I liked it. I thought the video was clear. It showed a little bit of the bike controls. It showed the view ahead perfectly. To me, that's a better result than either the handlebar mount that I was using or the neck mount that I got. It suits me, and of course you have the ease of use of just removing the camera, slapping it back on again, and away you go. And also, it handled the speed bumps and the potholes of Edinburgh, and never once did it look like it was going to come loose. So I'm happy. This idea of mine is a keeper. I hope you enjoyed the videos. Thanks as always for watching, guys. Like and subscribe if you can, and I'll see you next time. Cheers now.